going over water?
Yeah.
Yep, sure are. Big time water.
Yep, there's just water all around here.
Now there's a washout. Probably the SSS Pennsylvania.
Yeah, I don't know if I'm picking it up or not.
You're not. You might be. You might have caught the end of it.
Yeah. Okay, so TJ, what will this state be?
In half a mile, keep left onto US 30 eastbound.
Is this your 15th or 16th
Traffic jam
state?
ahead on RT 38 between Marlton Pike and Hollywood Avenue.
It's been in here 30 years.
Because Pennsylvania was the last state
No.
right over the summer.
What?
I think the last new state was Pennsylvania, right?
Right.
I think that was 15, so I think this is 16.
Okay. Plus
So
Washington.
this toll